I have something for you. Are you planning to get into software industry as a software engineer? And do you have candidates who are having a hard time cracking interviews? So here is someone who can help you with that. So I happen to speak with the owner of SV Training and SV Soft Solutions. They are currently helping people get job in different industry like Wipro, Infosys, Bank of America, UHG and different companies. How they are able to do it? Because of their skilled trainers who are currently having more than 10 plus years of experience. Now this is how it is working. So it's more of a online training. They are helping anybody who is interested to prepare themselves in IT side, that you can join and enroll to their IT programs. And not only about the training, they are providing placement assistance as well as some job support if you need anything else. And the best part is they are already in the industry and trained more than 1,000 people, including juniors and seniors. And their students already made more than 8 lakhs to 15 lakhs in that job when they cracked from their training. So not only India, if you are watching from any part of the world, you definitely connect with them because they are accessible to the below phone number, WhatsApp and below link. They have already have experience training people from Canada, UK and Middle East and US. So that's not what you should be worried about. And what you will be learning there, they are not only providing few handful of technology, but everything which covers from the DevOps to the AI, to the AWS, to the different clouds, data engineering, BI, everything they are covering. If I keep on telling the list, it will be long enough videos. So I'll be stopping here and I suggest you to go and check the link below. And if you want someone reliable who can help you get a job, this would be the right person. SV Training and SV Soft Solutions. And the recruiters, if you want your candidates to learn during the interviews and help them crack the interviews, you definitely connect with them through the below link. So this is what information, and before you start your next job search, why don't you just talk to this person and take the decision later.